How's it going, trios? This is Angel, field leader. We're gonna do a tip of the day. We're gonna start off with safety. We're gonna do pin tester, trio pin tester. Whenever you turn it on, you should see the lights. That means the battery's good. Before you test any wires, touch any wires, make sure you test it on a live source. Okay, now that we know our pin tester is good, we're gonna go and get our tip of the day done. So test it, you'll see it blinking, nothing, so we're good to touch it. Always when you have a tail coming out of the wall, out of the ceiling, out of a light, whatever the case is, you put your wire nut on all three of the wires. If for any reason you demo something and you have to turn the circuit back on, always use a box. Never leave a hot tail or a tail just with the wires like this capped off individually. Always put a box at the end, wire nuts isolating all the wires, and then your cover on there so you won't have any kind of exposure. So that's it for your tip of the day. You got my number? Give me a call. Thanks.